You accept that you made that representation to pay them back by the end of the year.
Yes.
Because your intention was that once you'd finished the filming, you would have sufficient cut of the film in order to get money from crowdfunding.
That's correct.
Did he make that representation to you?
Yes, he did. And he also mentioned executive producer credits. It was like an add-on, basically. We wasn't kind of more attracted to that anyway. It was just a kind of incentive, if you like.
Well, you listen to me. Because, gentlemen, what you say now will have a very serious effect, conceivably, on the outcome of this case. Were you investing in this project to become executive producer so that in the event this became the new, I don't know, Exorcist or whatever it is, you would become millionaires?
No.
Or were you only doing it from the point of view as a personal loan?
As a friend, yeah, as a personal loan. Yeah.
Filming was between March the 10th and March the 12th. I presume you finished that filming and you got the cut all together, this lovely trailer, and you started the crowdfunding, yes?
No, didn't.
What happened to the filming, sir?
The filming got stopped because I became very, very poorly after we shot the main block of the film.
Well, I understand from what you tell me that there were some very serious problems on set. Can you tell me exactly what happened on set which caused you to get ill and caused the film not to be completed?
OK, well, I'll have to go back to the preparation for the film because I was, like I said, I was studying the dark arts and the occult, and when we came to shoot the film, before we'd actually done the first shot, I had some candles on the set. They exploded, which made one of the actresses run into the toilets and lock herself in there for basically half an hour. There was another instance where we were shooting downstairs in the building, and I kept hearing footsteps, and I'm like, cut, let's do it again. Who's there? Can you make sure that nobody is going to make noise? We're trying to do the take here. This happened about 4 or 5 times, and there was nobody there.
As a result, the film couldn't be completed, but as far as I can gather, you believed, and I have to respect what you say, sir. I don't in any way denigrate what you say. It's your belief, and that matters to me a great deal. You believed, frankly, that you were getting more and more seriously affected by virtue of this research you had done.
Yes.
And you felt desperately unwell as a result.
For a very long time.
What did you do in order to make yourself well, or to attempt to?
Well, I went to seek the help of a wonderful medium. I was diagnosed as having dark energy feeders attached to my aura, known as archons.
Did you feel that she managed to help you?
Absolutely, yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, you've understood what's been said there.
Yes.
Did you know about any of these things?
He did mention these things, yes. And that's what made us...
Though, wasn't it?
Yeah, briefly. And that's what made us uneasy to keep asking him, you know, for money. Because at the end of the day, he's still our friend. And I personally felt like I didn't want to drive him off the edge, knowing all that he'd been through. So we just kind of, like, took a step back. But then that time went on. And, we still socialise and talk and stuff, but...
At the end of the day, business is business, and we have our own commitments and families. And then we've also experienced a situation in our shop ourselves where the fridges have gone down, and that, the business kind of thrives off that.
Just to be clear, you don't think that Satan's interfered with your fridge?
Well, this is the thing. But on a serious note, yeah, it's kind of come to the point where we need this money kind of desperately as well.
Well, more than that, situation changed. This is the main family business too.
Yes, this is our...
Working... Well, let me, out of interest, how often is the shop open? What times?
7 in the morning till 10 at night.
7 days a week.
And that's particularly difficult, as I understand it. Which of you has just become a dad?
Danny.
Myself.
Makes it a lot harder.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.